Everybody, I am not going to be in the building on Friday, April 9th. So I'm giving you all your instructions right here. And so first thing you're going to need to do is open up your April folder right here. And we'll look at Friday and Monday. So the objective today is that you're going to read some articles and, well, read one article and watch one video about the Florida Everglades to learn more about ecosystems. We've got two activities. I'd like you to do them in this order, please. Activity number one is you're going to watch the video called Breathtaking Insights into the Breathtaking Insights into the Amazing Ecosystem of the Everglades National Park. And you're going to answer the questions that go along with the video. Both the video and the questions are in this folder. And then the second activity is to read the article Python Palooza. Trust me, I'm not a fan of snakes. They give me the heebie-jeebies big time. And so I get it if you're like, ooh, about this article, but this article ties into what you were watching in the video, so I think you'll find it interesting. When you read the article, you're going to annotate, including active reading notes in the margins. Okay, so I'm going to explain that in a second. PDF is in the folder. I've got paper copies available in the classroom. So if you're in the classroom, grab a paper copy. If you are in the, if you're Zooming, or at home or sick and weren't at school, then you're going to have to get the PDF in the folder, put that in Good Notes, and write on that. Okay? Your homework, any activity that you did not get done in class, that's homework for you, and it's due the next class period. So let's open this up. I'm going to explain real quick what you're going to see. So the first thing is you're going to see this video. It's Breathtaking Insights into the Amazing Ecosystem of the Florida Everglades National Park. That's really the title of that video. It's super long, but that's the title. This is the article that goes with it. And actually, I'm going to rearrange that. So when you see that, the Breathtaking Insights article questions will go right underneath that video. So go ahead and put this in Good Notes if you're Zooming, and then watch the video. Listen to me carefully. The questions are asked in the order that they come up in the video. So if you're taking a look at the questions, if you are, let's say, down here on number 5 or whatever, and you can't find it, but you all of a sudden get the answer to number 6, that means you need to back up and look at number 5 again. Boy, this is really slow today. There we go. So all of these are in the order that they come up in the video. Like I said, if you can't find number 5, but all of a sudden you've got number 6, you just need to back it up a little bit, see if you can find number 5. So again, paper copies in the classroom, and then put that in Good Notes if you're Zooming. The next thing after you're finished with that, this is a homework assignment. So when you're finished with this, you're going to want to turn it in right here. The assignment name is called Florida Everglades Ecosystem Video Questions. Again, if you're in class, you have a paper copy. That's going to go in the white basket on my table, and it's that white basket that's marked to be graded. When you are finished with that, you're going to read this article, Python Palooza. If you are in the class, it's a colored paper copy, and it's sitting on my table. You will need to read and annotate this article. It's kind of a longer article. That's okay. I'm hoping that you guys are interested in the subject, and it's actually pretty interesting about how they captured one of the pythons that, there's just so many pythons in Florida. They're really a problem. So they captured one and just kind of giving some information about that. So highlight, but most important, I want you to write your notes in the margin as you're reading the article. What are you thinking? What questions do you have? What comments do you have? Try and think of some deeper level questions than just how did that happen or why did that happen. See if you can, think about ecosystem, think about how humans can interfere with ecosystems. Like, why were the pythons there in the first place? What are some some of the things that they can do to get rid of the pythons. Why does it matter that the pythons are there? I mean, Florida seems like a nice place for snakes. How come, what's the big deal? Why are they there? So be thinking about that as you're reading the article. Now, I'm not going to ask for those articles today. You're going to bring those to me when you are finished reading them the next class period. All right? The only thing you're turning in today, if you're finished with it, is the Florida Everglade Ecosystem video questions. All right, you guys, have a great day, have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. And I don't know how to stop this recording. Oh, here it is.